This latch, I think the door is moved that way, so it's really hard to unlatch it. And I really hate to move this over that way, because then there's going to be a thing you can catch your clothes on, and this would be the same thing. So what I'm going to try and do is take a file, round one, and just, let's see, file this down a little bit. And it's still tight. Another thing I could do is I'm going to take off this corner. It's better. I'm gonna take off a bit more and some more here, and I'll try it. I filed off this corner a bit more and rounded this out a bit more too, and now it slides on a lot easier. But quick and easy fix. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.